8-ball, make a nigga bitch go AWOL. I'm a gorilla, nigga. Got a bitch make.
I asked for the number and the Instagram, dude. I don't just want your fucking number, then I can't see how you operate online. You feel what I'm saying? I'm trying to see if all your pics got breast pics out or your ass popping on half your fucking videos and half your photos. You got you tooting your ass. You know what I'm saying? Thoughterific. I don't like shit like that, but for me to be out with you and all this shit, I don't need no toxic ass bitch. Don't know how to act, ratchet ass, loud ass bitch. I had one motherfucking date. Took a chick on a comedy show. And this motherfucker was the loudest motherfucker in the building. I'm talking about when she tried to be the comedian. Last day that bitch will ever see you take home. Ever. You call him. She left something in my car. I went and put that shit on her doorknob and left. I don't do them ratchets. You know what I'm saying? You could be a hood chick, but you can't act ratchet in public. No, man. No fucking man. No man. Ratchet, yeah. I ain't saying. Nah. We fuck though. And toss them to the side. Yeah. You ain't finna be spending no good quality amount of time with a nigga if you're a ratchet ass dude. Some of y'all sexy, we'll fuck those. You know what I'm talking about? But we're gonna toss you to the side. We don't like that ratchet shit. I don't. Find your nigga like some ratchet shit. Pookie like it. Ray like it. Shit, not no nigga with this shit together. Bitch, please. That's some kind of sophistication with yourself. You know what I'm saying? Be civilized and shit in public. That's all I'm saying. You got ratchet at home by your motherfucking self. Not even with me. I ain't even with that shit either. Better tone that shit down. 2 seconds.
Down on so a dick bust over it. Got me, cold cut. Make a pussy slimy like okra. Make a bitch scream like, oh yeah. Make a bitch scream like, oh yeah. Pour me some wine, here from behind. With that iron, watching her spine. She say it's mine. That be lying. Pour me some wine, here from behind. With that iron, watching her spine. She say it's mine. That be lying.